Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Snapchat loading or login errors, follow these detailed steps to resolve the issue and get back to sharing moments with friends. Step 1. Force close the Snapchat app completely. On iPhone, swipe up and swipe away the app. On Android, access recent apps and close Snapchat. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. Open other apps to verify your connection is working properly. Step 3. Clear Snapchat's cache. Go to Settings, scroll to Apps, find Snapchat, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your data. Step 4. Update the Snapchat app. Visit your device's app store and check for available updates. An outdated version often causes loading problems. Step 5. Check Snapchat's server status online. Visit downdetector.com to see if others are experiencing similar issues, indicating a server problem. Step 6. Log out and log back in. Go to Snapchat settings, scroll down, tap log out, then sign in again with your credentials. Step 7. Restart your device completely. Hold the power button, select restart, and wait for your device to reboot fully. Step 8. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This gives you a fresh installation that often resolves persistent loading errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.